Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this bitmap or a JPEG. You can tell it is by the gray bounding box. It says it's a bitmap. And they want to do this right here. I don't know what font they want, so I just use it. I was really curious at first if this was going to work because it looks like it was copied on the notebook paper. And for the one I'm doing it for, I made it quite a bit smaller. I'm going to go to Trace Bitmap, Outline Trace, and Clip Art. It's going to take just a second, but it did a really good job. And then when it's done, I don't know why you can't actually do it before, but when it's done, I'm going to click right here. See how it's got some white background and take color away from the entire image. Now, I'm going to move that out of the way, and there you have it. It is well, the bitmap was pretty sharp, but if you look at this, how sharp it is. Now, all you have to do what I did with the garden is I'm going to left click, no fill, right click outline. I've got to go to object and group and ungroup it. And then I'm going to grab the shape tool, grab that node right there, hold down the shift key and grab that node. Whoop, I double clicked on it. So hold down the shift and then move it. And if you hold down the control button, it won't let you get uneven, and then make it whatever size you want. And then just type out. They didn't say what font they wanted, but I'm going to use this font I've been using a lot called Freshman. I think it's on DA Fonts. So what you want to do is kind of size it. I'm going to left click, right click, and I'm going to put it in the middle. And if you were doing it for real, you'd want to make sure it's in the middle. Now, all this is going to fill in, but if we take the Smart Fill tool set on black, we have to fill in these little 3 parts first because the Smart Fill can't get to it. And then we're going to fill in right here, and every one of these has a box to it, and there you have it. I mean, that's pretty outstanding. I don't even think taking away the outline in this case would make a difference. Yeah, it did just a little bit. It might be a little bit finer detail because now it's just a fill. Anyway, I hope that helped them in some way, and thank you for watching.